207 series JR West. The 207 series 207 Xi 207 Ks a DC electric multiple unit EMU commuter train type operated by West Japan Railway Company JR West in the Kansai region of Japan since 1991. This EMU was introduced in 1991 to replace aging EMUs operating on the Fukuchiyama Line and the Katamachi Line. This train bears no relation to the 207 series built by JR and operated by JR East until 2009. Manufacture. The trains were built jointly by Hitachi, JR West Go-To Factory, Kinki Sharyo, and Kawasaki Heavy Industries. Variants. 270 series manufactured 1991. 207-500/1500 series, converted from former 207 and 207-1000 series trains in 1996. 207-1000 series manufactured 1994-1997. 207-2000 series manufactured 2002-2003. Operations. Takeda Main Line and Sanyo Main Line local service by Wako Line, JR Kyoto Line, JR Kobe Line, Yasu Kakagawa to Kakagawa Fukuchiyama Line, JR Takaresuga Line, Osaka Sase Yamagachi 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 Sayamagachi Kosai Line, Kyoto Yamashina Omimeko, JR Tazai Line and Katamachi Line, Yakantoshi Line, Amagasaki Kyobashi Kizu, Osaka Higashi Line and Kansai Main Line, Yamatoji Line, Kizu Nara, Nara Kyuhoji Hanaton, Watamasaki Line, Hyogo Watamasaki sometimes substituted for 103 series. Formations. 270 series. 7-car set pre-series set. 4-car sets. 207-1000, 207-2000 series. 4-car sets. 3-car sets. Interior.